What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. My name is Melissa, and I am so excited, y'all, to bring y'all this video. Now, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my smoothie packs for the entire week. If you know anything about me, you know that I love me a nice, smooth, cold green smoothie. It just makes me feel so good in the morning when I drink my green smoothie for breakfast, and I'm showing y'all how I prep for the entire week. So as you can see here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using in my smoothies this week. Now, these ingredients are optional. It's really up to you and what you like in your smoothie. For my greens, I'm going to be using kale as well as some spring mix, and I'm going to be alternating these greens throughout the week. You'll also need some Ziploc bags because you're going to be putting your green smoothie packs in the freezer. And you'll also need a black Sharpie to label what's in your baggie. So why don't we go ahead and get into this video. So first things first, you want to start off by labeling your baggies with the ingredients that you're going to put in your smoothie. Now, I don't have any particular recipe that I'm following. I'm just adding the fruits and veggies that I like into my smoothie packs and labeling them. Now, it's important to label so you're not drinking the same smoothie every single day and possibly getting bored from day to day with drinking your green smoothies. And also, I label which green that I'm going to be putting in the smoothie the day of me mixing it, so I can make sure that I'm not drinking kale every single day or spring mix every single day, and that I'm alternating. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start off with my mixed berry banana smoothie, and I love this smoothie because it has so many different berries in it. Raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, and also blackberries are also in this mixture here. And I love eating berries in my smoothies because blackberries and blueberries specifically, they will not raise your blood sugar levels in your blood, which is really good. So you won't get that spike of insulin in your blood after you drink a berry smoothie, which is really good for those who may have diabetes or those who drink a lot of sugar or eat a lot of sugar. Blueberries, blackberries are a good replacement for something sweet, and it won't raise your blood sugar. Now, it is completely optional if you want to use fresh fruit or frozen fruit. Now, when you're choosing frozen fruit, I will recommend that you look on the back of the label to make sure there's no added things like syrup and different high fructose corn syrup, so that you're not getting added sugars to your fruit. That's why I chose to go with majority organic, because I just needed one ingredient, which was the fruit that I needed. I didn't need any extra dyes or things like that. So be sure that you look on the back of the label to make sure that there's only one ingredient, the ingredient that you need in your smoothies. Now, one of my all-time favorite combinations is mangoes and blueberries, y'all. Now, mangoes have a lot of health benefits, and a lot of people be sleeping on mangoes, but I love mangoes. It has a lot of vitamin K, which helps with bone health. It helps with your hair, skin, and nails. It has cancer-fighting benefits. It is proven to help fight against breast cancer, prostate, and colon cancer as well. It has a lot of potassium, fiber, and other vitamins that ward off heart disease by providing essential nutrients to the heart and muscles. So there are tons of benefits, y'all, of mangoes, and if you have not tried mangoes and blueberries together, like, you are truly missing out. So here are all of my baggies. I'm all done preparing my bags, so now I'm going to throw them into the freezer. If you have more smoothie recipes, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. I would love to try your favorite green smoothie recipe and maybe feature it on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.